What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught the video yesterday where we picked up our 2017 Road Glide here in the Candy Apple Red. We picked it up from Harley. It wasn't starting when we got it. Finally started up yesterday. We finally heard that thing run, and it sounds amazing, guys. Now, the forks on it were bent. We got those situated already. The handlebars are bent, and we're about to get that tackled, man. I'm about to snatch these forks off, take them to BBV so they can wire them up. And then I'll be heading to LA in the meantime to drop off some parts for my 2021 back here to go get like powder coated and something done to them, man. So keep an eye out for that. Meanwhile, we are going to go pick up our wheels and drop them off too for 2021. So a little bit of running around today, but all in all, it's going to work out. I can't wait to get this stuff done, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow back here or my 2015 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide, man, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Buy anything on the website. We got wallets and hats over there, man. Buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So the choice is yours. Head over there right now while we got a few entries left. We got less than 100 hats left, man. So go over there and get your entry right now. I can't wait to see where these things is headed. You guys just seen we got back from Gary, Indiana. So it could be at your door next, man. Meanwhile, let's get these bars off and get everything situated. Alrighty, guys. So you guys seen our bars that we're about to put on here. Can't wait to get these things on there. That looks kind of bent now that I look at it. This looks kind of bent. I don't know if that's gonna affect us or not. We're gonna see, kind of see a little nudge on this side, but I don't know. Either way, we'll hope for the best. But it's time to get these bars off, man. I've been like holding back on this, but it's time to get it going, man. I can't wait. We got pretty much the hard part out the way. Not really the hard part, but just the simple stuff out the way. So now I like to do this, get a recording of this so I don't mess up no wires when I'm putting it back in. So literally, it's like a few wires coming out. Just like that, guys, we got our bars off. You guys can see they're definitely bent, but no big deal there. We have our other bars here, same size as them daddy-os. We're gonna take these to BBV, have them rewire these joints, and we should be good to go. I'm not a big wiring person, so you know. But, I mean, it's pretty simple. I just got to try it, but I know they're the professionals, so we'll leave it to them while I get to do some other stuff. I'm thinking I want to snatch off this outer fairing right now and take it to Antonio to get that red right there, and then on this bag here and on this lid right there, and then get this cover hit up. That's what I'm thinking. I might just do that. Then while I'm here, I can go ahead and lock in the forks, get them to the right spec, and get them things good and, you know, finalized. So when we do come back with the bars, and probably take this thing out on the first ride. Now I wanna kinda take it out on the first ride before I get it painted. I can't really wait that long, but I don't know, we'll see. Let's get these front forks situated real quick, man. just like that, guys, we got our forks locked in. Everything's good to go up here. Brakes a little tight, but hey, they'll ease up when we start riding this joint. But we got everything that we're about to take. So let's see what else we can get done real quick. Got that fairing off. Now we just gotta detach our bag, and we should be good to go.
That's that 120 music.
Tequila made me do it.
And just like that, guys, everything has been tackled. We got our fairing off, we got our bags off, we got our front fender that we're gonna try to get Antonio to work out for us. I'm sure he can save it. If not, we'll just grab another one. The bars are finna get switched out. So next time we see this thing, it should be complete, minus the wheel, of course. Like I said, that was gonna take a long time, but we can load up the car and get out of here, man. It's time to slide. All cleaned up, car packed up, ready to rock. Alrighty, guys, just pulling up to BBV, about to drop off these bars real quick. And then we did pick up our cracked wheel, so we can get them rotors off. But off to the city, man. It's time to slide, dog. Finally got to the city. Got our rims here, man. It's got to take them one more place before we can mount these big daddies up, man. I can't wait, dog. That back wheel right now, baby boy. Yes, sir, man. Y'all know what time it is. They about to take our stuff to the next level. Yes, sir, man. We just put up on my dog, Tonyo. And y'all know we don't got a paint set, but we dropping something off, man. So let's see what we got. We're gonna be dropping off our 2017 Road Glide outer fairing. So I need, where is it? This one's scratched. Okay. Color match. So on this bag, we got a little scratch here. Scratch there. You see, it's not much, but I need it done. And then this one, little scratch there. Yeah, I have a fender here. Now this is the task. You able to bring that back to life? Fix. If you can fix it, yeah. Just like on the sides and stuff, like little body work. And just like that, guys, we have finally made it back to the house. 12:38, man. Whooped, tired, all the above, but we did get some stuff done today. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys seen we took all the parts off that we needed to switch out for our 2017 Candy Apple Road Glide right here. We got our paint set, or our fairing rather, in our bag to Antonio. That thing should be done in about a couple days or so. Our bars is already done, so in the morning we'll go scoop those up, put those back on the bike tomorrow, and see where we go from there. Meanwhile, I did pick up my wheels and stuff for my 2021 Road Glide back here. Dropped them off at the powder coat, man, so we're gonna be getting that situated here real soon. Those should be done about the same time is the paint set for this bike. So I'm gonna try to get some other stuff done in the meantime, man. Try to kill two birds with one stone. Maybe we can get some more stuff done here on this 2021. So I can't wait to see where we go with that. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow back there in the black and red, or my 2015 Street Glide CVO, man, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Buy anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We got less than 100 hats left, man, so go over there and get your entry while you can. Meanwhile, I can't wait to see where them things is headed, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. Support your boy. Go get you a wallet or a hat. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get your entry. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.